Want to save photo memories that show exactly where you took them? This happens when your camera's location tag is turned off, so your photos don't have place information. It's important because adding location tags help you remember and organize your trips better. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on the camera location tag on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. Method 1. Using settings. First, open the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on apps, then scroll down again. Find the camera app, now tap on it. Next, tap on camera settings. Scroll down a bit. Here you'll find the location tags option. Simply turn it on. Method 2. Using the camera app. Go to the home screen, then open up the camera app. After that, tap on the settings icon from the top left corner, then scroll down and find the location tags option, and then turn it on. That's it for turning on location tags on your Samsung phone. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like. Thanks for watching.